Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to find people from contacts on X. First of all, you have to give access to people from your contacts, and let's do that. First of all, open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and as you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to find privacy and safety section, and from here go to discoverability and contacts. And under the tab with contacts, you see this option that says sync address book contacts, and please turn this on. After this, X application will ask you can decide if you want to give access to all of your contacts that you have on your phone, or you can select specific contacts that you want to share. So do that. And after you do that, you have to go to Explore tab at the bottom side of the screen, that icon that looks like magnifying glass. And here let's scroll until you reach Who to Follow section, like this, and let's tap Show More to expand. And if you browse this page, you might see people from your contacts, and also you can follow them from this page by using this follow button next to each user. So that's basically how you can find people from your contacts on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.